Hi, my name is Augelvin Dermaga, and this is how to make a mask bracket yourself. I'm doing this to learn about design for manufacturability. I decided to create a mask bracket because it is still going to be useful since we are in a pandemic. The mask bracket will provide space between the mask and my face so that I can breathe and talk more comfortably while wearing a mask. Since it is a one-piece product, the material has to be easily moldable. And since I'm wearing it on my face, it has to be comfortable on the skin as well. So I chose polypropylene to make this mask bracket because of its high moldability and flexibility to provide some comfort on the face. Then I'm going to do a vacuum thermoforming so that I can create these complex curves easily. First is to build the vacuum former. To build it, I need some plywood and a pegboard to make a wooden box and a wooden frame to hold the plastic. So I cut the plywood and the pegboard to size and drill a hole in one of the plywood for the vacuum. Then I assembled the frame and I sealed the gaps on the box with hot glue to make sure that air can only go through the holes on the pegboard. Next, I need to make the mold. To make the mold, I'm going to use a metal wire and bend into shape. Making the mold with a metal wire turns out to be a difficult process because the wire has a spring back and it is also challenging to keep everything in place while bending the wire. I also cover the wire with masking tape so that the mask bracket can have a smoother surface. Now that we have the mold, we have everything we need to actually make the mask bracket. I tape the polypropylene sheet onto the frame and I put it in the oven for 3 minutes or until it sags a little bit at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I quickly carry over the plastic and push it against the mold and turn on the vacuum. Finally, I cut the excess plastic and sand it to cut it to shape. Then I drill some holes on the mask bracket so air can go through when I breathe. And there you have it. You now have a mask bracket that you can use under your mask so you can breathe and talk more comfortably while wearing a mask. You can actually make a lot of other things with vacuum forming, like tool organizers or cosplay masks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.